Okay, today we're going to talk about finance charges. So meaning, hey, if you've got a credit card, for example, and you're not paying things off on a regular basis, so a monthly basis when they're due, you often get charged what they call a finance charge. This is going to be the unpaid balance method. So what they're saying here is that a credit card company or charge account at a store may utilize the unpaid balance method to compute finance charges. This method computes a finance charge based on the portion of the previous balance that you have not paid. So they're going to charge you extra money. Like if you had $1,000 in your credit card bill this month and you only pay off half of that, so $500, they're going to charge you interest basically on the other $500. There are three formulas, as you see here, that we're going to use today. So we're going to be finding the unpaid balance, the finance charge, and the new balance. Be aware here, there's one thing that we see here. The periodic rate relates to, hey, in this case, the monthly the monthly rate we're being charged. So if you are given APR, you're going to want to divide it by 12 to get your periodic rate. And we'll have one of these examples that we need to do that with, but maybe just add it there to your equation so you know kind of to do that as well. So the first example here says Lucille's charge account had a previous balance of $132.40. She made a $40 payment and purchased an item for $79.55. The monthly finance charge is computed at 1.5% of the unpaid balance. So what they're giving you here is the periodic rate. So you're all set just to plug that into our equation. Let's determine these three things. The unpaid balance is going to equal my previous balance, which is $132.40, minus the payments, which in this case she paid $40, and there's no credits. It doesn't say anything there about credits, so we're just going to not subtract anything there. So it's going to just equal $92.40. Okay. Now for finance charge, we take the unpaid balance, so that answer we just got of $92.40, and we times it by the periodic rate, which in this case is 1.5%. Don't forget to convert that to a decimal, so we get 0.015, and we end up with $1.39. Lastly, we take the new balance. So we're going to take our unpaid balance, which is $92.40. We're going to add the finance charge, which is $1.39, and we're going to add new purchases, which in this case is $79.55. When we add those three things together, we end up with $173.44. Okay, let's look at the next example. Roy's Nelson charge account uses the unpaid balance method, right, to find the finance charge at an APR of 21%. Notice here I'm saying don't forget to find the periodic rate. I'm giving you the hint there. His previous balance was $765.71. This month he charged $156.89, as well as made a $200 payment. Find the following. So here we're going to take $132.40. Oh, sorry, that was the last example. Wrong number, my bad. Okay, we're going to take the previous balance, which is $765.71, and we're going to subtract his payment, which was $200. Once again, there's no credits here, so you don't have to worry about that. So we end up with $565.71. Okay, for the finance charge, we first need to find the periodic rate, which is basically asking how much does he get charged monthly. So APR is for a whole year, and if we're doing monthly, we're going to divide that by 12. So in this case, we're going to take the 21%, divide it by 12, and Roy gets charged 1.75% per month. And we're going to use that rate to plug into our equation. So now we take the unpaid balance, which was $565.71, and we times it by 0.0175, and we end up with $9.90 a month. Okay, last but not least, to find the new balance, we are going to add the following 3 things. So, first, we're going to take the unpaid balance, which was the answer from our first one, $565.71. We're going to add the finance charge, which was $9.90, and we are going to add the charges for this month, which was $156.89. When you add those 3 quantities together, Roy's new balance of his credit card is $732.50. All right, you should be good to go for assignment 2.3.